Dear student, welcome to chemistry class. In today's class, we will discuss the effect of substituent on acidity of phenol. In the last class, we have already discussed the acidic character of phenol. In today's class, we will discuss the effect of substituent on the acidity of phenol. Okay, student, suppose phenol is there. The phenol. Okay, in phenol, as you know, phenol is acidic in character because phenol dissociates to form phenoxide ion and H plus ion. The substance which provide H plus ion, that is acidic in nature. So phenol is also acidic in nature. It also turns blue litmus to red. So phenol is acidic in character. Okay. So what is the effect of substituent? What is the effect of substituent on the acidity of the phenol? Effect of substituent. Suppose phenol is there. As you see, suppose phenol is there. Okay, this is your phenol. Okay, this is your phenol. Phenol is there. So, in phenol, so suppose another substituent is there. देखो पिला माने एटा धरो गोटे phenol हैला ए phenol ले यदि हम गोटे substituent attach करिबा. Okay, substituent means कौन? गोटे any other group will be attached to the phenol. Then what will happen? That is effect of substituent on acidity of phenol. Suppose आमे ए phenol देहरे phenol रे आमे गोटे group attach करिवा. There are two types of groups can be attached to the phenol. Phenol देहरे आमे दी प्रकार group attach करि परिवा. So what are the two types of group? One is electron releasing group or donating group. Another one is electron withdrawing group. So तेणु कौन कहि परिवा पिला एटा phenol अछि. So this is your phenol. जदि आमे phenol रे आमे गोटे electron withdrawing group attach करबा. Suppose you see this is your phenol. This is your phenol. Okay. And suppose one electron withdrawing group is attached. Okay. Suppose this is your group X. To this phenol, electron withdrawing group is attached. Okay. So what will happen when an electron withdrawing group is attached to the phenol? Okay. So what will happen? Electron withdrawing group means it will decrease the electron density. Okay. So what will happen? Now this bond between oxygen and hydrogen that will be weakens. Okay. Density of the electron density of the benzene nucleus will be decreased. That will affect the oxygen also. Okay. So what a electron withdrawing group, suppose that is minus I group or minus R group is there, it is minus R. Through resonance, it will decrease the electron density so that deprotonation or release of proton will be easier. Okay. So what are the electron withdrawing group? Through resonance we will explain the effect of substituent. Through resonance we will discuss the effect of substituent on the acidity of the phenol. So this is your phenol and this is your electron withdrawing group. Okay, electron withdrawing group. When an electron withdrawing group is attached to your phenol, whether that is ortho, meta or para, that we will discuss, then what will happen? The acidic character will be increased. Okay, which will stabilize the phenoxide ion through dispersal of electron. Okay. So what are which groups are electron withdrawing groups? The electron withdrawing groups are generally nitro groups, CHO, COH, CN, etc. These groups are electron withdrawing group. Okay. Whenever a electron withdrawing group which act as a substituent that is present, whether it is ortho, meta or para, that will that will intensify. Okay, that will increase the acidity of phenol. Okay, it will gives rise to phenoxide ion. This is your substituents. Okay, so due to the presence of electron withdrawing group, so phenoxide ion will be more stabilized and H plus ion can be released. And these are your example of electron withdrawing group. Okay. So suppose one example will take, but in case of, you see, whenever an electron withdrawing group is present, okay, to which position should be more affected. That means whether the ortho position or meta position or para position. Whenever an electron withdrawing group is present at ortho and para position, okay, para position, then it will be more effective than that of meta position, because of the charge will be developed at the ortho position and at the para position. For example, we can take one example. Suppose you will take one example. This is your phenol. Suppose NO2 group is present. This is NO2 group. Oxygen contains lone pair of electron. Due to this delocalization, this will come to this place. Again, this will come to this place. It will come to this place. Then again the negative charge will come to this place. It will move to this place. Okay. So that what will happen? The negative charge will be developed here. It will come to this place. Then this bond will be delocalized in this direction. So that the effect of the electron withdrawing group will be more, so that your deprotonation can be taken place easily. Okay, but if the nitro group is attached at para position, at meta position, if the nitro group is attached at the meta position, then there will be no negative charge, nor negative charge will be developed. So it will have no effect if electron withdrawing group will be present on the meta position. Okay, so what is the effect of electron withdrawing group? Now, whenever an electron withdrawing group is attached to the phenol, it will decrease the electron density due to minus R effect, and the bond becomes oxygen and hydrogen, that will be more weakened, so that deprotonation can be taken place easily. Okay. Similarly, now you see, we will discuss the effect of electron donating group. Suppose this is your phenol. This is your phenol. Okay. As a whole, we are writing. Suppose this is your phenol. One electron donating group is present. Okay, due to the presence of electron donating or electron releasing group, okay, the electron density at the oxygen atom increases. Okay, so that the deprotonation is not easier. Okay, this oxygen atom will not allow the hydrogen atom to release. Okay, jodi gote electron releasing group benzene ring re attach hobo, ता द्वारा कौन हम रिजोनेंस द्वारा कौन हम थ्रो प्लस आर इफेक्ट रिजोनेंस द्वारा कौन हम पिला ना ऑक्सीजन पाखरे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी बढ़ी जीवो या पर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी बढ़िले इट विल नॉट अलाउ द हाइड्रोजन टू लीव. ओके, सो एसिडिक कैरेक्टर ऑफ phenol will be decreases. Okay, so we can write down like this. So now what we came to know, if a electron releasing group or donating group is present in the benzene ring at ortho or meta or para position, then the density of electron at the oxygen atom will be increased. Okay, so that it will not allow the hydrogen atom to leave. It becomes more difficult for the release of the hydrogen, so that electron acidic character will be decreases. What are the electron releasing group or donating group? Okay, generally NH2 group, amine group, alkyl group. Okay, alkyl group like methyl, ethyl or alkoxy group. These are your electron releasing group. Okay, due to the तो आमे कौन जानी में पहले ना जो दिखोटा electron releasing group but electron donating group गोटे phenol रे attach होबो at ortho, meta or para position. So what will happen? Ki density of electron at the oxygen atom will be more, so that deprotonation or a release of proton becomes difficult. Okay, student. This also in this case, the effect of the substituent. Okay, if the electron releasing group or donating group is present or at the ortho or para position, then the effect will be more. Okay, so we have discussed that these are the examples of electron releasing groups. Okay, so finally, ame kon janiba ku paile, what we came to know? Now, due to the presence of electron withdrawing group, the acidity of phenol increases, and due to the presence of electron donating group or releasing group on phenol, the acid character or the acidity of phenol, that will be decreases. Okay, so what are the effect of the substituent on the phenol? Whenever a electron withdrawing group is attached to the phenol, okay, then your acidic character will be increased. Whenever a electron donating or releasing group is present on the phenol, or which act as a substituent, then your acidic character will be decreased. Okay, due to the presence of electron withdrawing group, acidic character increases, and due to the presence of electron donating group or electron releasing group, the acidic character become decreases. Okay, student, thank you.